Hi, I'm here to clean today.
Hi, I'm here to clean today.
Good morning, where would you like me to start?
Good morning, where would you like me to start?
I'll take my shoes off at the door.
I'll take my shoes off at the door.
I brought everything I need.
I brought everything I need.
Is now a good time to start?
Is now a good time to start?
Just let me know if I'm in your way.
Just let me know if I'm in your way.
I'll keep it quiet while you work.
I'll keep it quiet while you work.
I'll get started right away.
I'll get started right away.
Which rooms would you like done today?
Which rooms would you like done today?
I'll do the whole house as usual.
I'll do the whole house as usual.
I'll make the kitchen and bathrooms a priority.
I'll make the kitchen and bathrooms a priority.
I'll leave anything you've set aside untouched.
I'll leave anything you've set aside untouched.
Just point out anything I shouldn't touch.
Just point out anything I shouldn't touch.
I'll skip the rooms you don't need today.
I'll skip the rooms you don't need today.
I'll be careful around your pets.
I'll be careful around your pets.
I'll start in the kitchen and work from there.
I'll start in the kitchen and work from there.
I'll do the windows while I'm here.
I'll do the windows while I'm here.
I'll wipe down the balcony too.
I'll wipe down the balcony too.
I'll start with the dishes.
I'll start with the dishes.
I'll wipe down all the counters.
I'll wipe down all the counters.
I'll clean the stovetop until it shines.
I'll clean the stovetop until it shines.
I'll clean inside the microwave.
I'll clean inside the microwave.
I'll wipe out the fridge if you'd like.
I'll wipe out the fridge if you'd like.
I'll scrub the sink and the drain.
I'll scrub the sink and the drain.
I'll wipe the cabinet doors.
I'll wipe the cabinet doors.
I'll take out the kitchen trash.
I'll take out the kitchen trash.
I'll mop the kitchen floor last.
I'll mop the kitchen floor last.
The kitchen is all done.
The kitchen is all done.
I'll scrub the toilet now.
I'll scrub the toilet now.
I'll clean the shower and the tub.
I'll clean the shower and the tub.
I'll wipe the mirror until it's clear.
I'll wipe the mirror until it's clear.
I'll clean the sink and the faucet.
I'll clean the sink and the faucet.
I'll replace the towels with fresh ones.
I'll replace the towels with fresh ones.
I'll scrub the tiles and the grout.
I'll scrub the tiles and the grout.
I'll empty the bathroom trash.
I'll empty the bathroom trash.
I'll mop the bathroom floor.
I'll mop the bathroom floor.
The bathroom is spotless now.
The bathroom is spotless now.
I'll make the bed.
I'll make the bed.
I'll put on fresh sheets.
I'll put on fresh sheets.
I'll dust the nightstands and the lamps.
I'll dust the nightstands and the lamps.
I'll fold any clothes I find on the bed.
I'll fold any clothes I find on the bed.
I left the closet exactly as it was.
I left the closet exactly as it was.
I'll vacuum under the bed.
I'll vacuum under the bed.
The bedroom is done.
The bedroom is done.
I'll dust all the shelves.
I'll dust all the shelves.
I'll wipe down the tables.
I'll wipe down the tables.
I'll vacuum the whole carpet.
I'll vacuum the whole carpet.
I'll clean the windows and the sills.
I'll clean the windows and the sills.
I cleaned under the sofa too.
I cleaned under the sofa too.
I'll dust the picture frames.
I'll dust the picture frames.
I'll fluff up the cushions.
I'll fluff up the cushions.
I found this under the sofa and left it on the table.
I found this under the sofa and left it on the table.
I'll wash the dishes left in the sink.
I'll wash the dishes left in the sink.
I'll fold the laundry and put it away.
I'll fold the laundry and put it away.
I'll hang these to dry.
I'll hang these to dry.
The laundry is folded and put away.
The laundry is folded and put away.
I got most of the stain out.
I got most of the stain out.
This kind of stain may need dry cleaning to fully remove.
This kind of stain may need dry cleaning to fully remove.
I noticed this was already cracked, just so you know.
I noticed this was already cracked, just so you know.
I moved this carefully and put it right back.
I moved this carefully and put it right back.
I'll be extra careful, this looks delicate.
I'll be extra careful, this looks delicate.
I cleaned around your things so nothing gets lost.
I cleaned around your things so nothing gets lost.
I left your papers exactly where they were.
I left your papers exactly where they were.
The vacuum stopped working, so I cleaned it by hand.
The vacuum stopped working, so I cleaned it by hand.
I opened a window to let the room air out.
I opened a window to let the room air out.
I finished everything we agreed on.
I've finished everything we agreed on.
That's a little more than we agreed, but I can do it next time.
That's a little more than we agreed, but I can do it next time.
I can do that today, it'll just take a little extra time.
I can do that today, it'll just take a little extra time.
I'm happy to add that to next week's clean.
I'm happy to add that to next week's clean.
I'm about halfway done.
I'm about halfway done.
I'll be finished soon.
I'll be finished soon.
I cleaned a bit faster today, so everything's ready.
I cleaned a bit faster today, so everything's ready.
I used the extra time on the windows.
I used the extra time on the windows.
I'll make sure I don't miss a thing.
I'll make sure I don't miss a thing.
Everything is back where it belongs.
Everything is back where it belongs.
I'm all done for today.
I'm all done for today.
Please take a look whenever you like.
Please take a look whenever you like.
I put everything back in its place.
I put everything back in its place.
The trash is out by the door.
The trash is out by the door.
I closed all the windows.
I closed all the windows.
I turned off the lights.
I turned off the lights.
Let me know if you'd like anything done differently.
Let me know if you'd like anything done differently.
I'll remember that for next time.
I'll remember that for next time.
I'll bring a stronger cleaner for that next week.
I'll bring a stronger cleaner for that next week.
Thank you for having me today.
Thank you for having me today.
I hope you're happy with it.
I hope you're happy with it.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Have a lovely day.
Have a lovely day.
Enjoy your clean home.
Enjoy your clean home.
Please let the office know if anything's not right.
Please let the office know if anything's not right.
I'll lock the door on my way out.
I'll lock the door on my way out.
I'll leave the key where I found it.
I'll leave the key where I found it.
Take care.
Take care.
Same time next week?
Same time next week?
I'll see you then.
I'll see you then.
Thanks again, goodbye.
Thanks again, goodbye.
I'll always leave it the way you like it.
I'll always leave it the way you like it.
It was nice to see you again.
It was nice to see you again.
Everything's clean and put away.
Everything's clean and put away.
Have a restful evening.
Have a restful evening.